Hey guys, this is Riley, Red Rock Refrigeration here in Estancia, located in Peoria, Arizona. A little bit of history about myself and my company. I grew up in North Dakota. My father and grandfather both did plumbing, heating, and air conditioning in North Dakota, and my brother, even my sister and I, we all grew up helping out. As soon as we were able to carry a toolbox, we were walking around with my dad job to job, and we learned a lot by watching him, asking questions, and that's how we kind of got into the trade and started fixing things. In 2008, I moved out here to Queen Creek and started attending the Refrigeration School, RSI, in Phoenix, Arizona, and I graduated from there and worked for a company, residential and commercial company in the Scottsdale area for about 8 years, performing residential, commercial, HVAC, walk-in coolers, freezers, ice machines, reach-ins, chillers, but also do perform a lot of residential HVAC. I'd say about 80% of the work I do now is residential.